My dear viewers, today discuss element, compounds and mixture based on icse class 6 part 3. To take the link of part 1 and part 2, please show the description box. Only for discuss objective type question answer. First type, give one word for each of the following. Number 1, the pure substance that contains only one kind of atom. Answer, element. Next question, elements that show the properties of both metal and non-metals. Answer, metalloids. Third question, the abbreviation used to denote the names of elements. Answer, chemical symbols. Question number 4. The substance formed when two or more elements are chemically bound together. Answer, compounds. Next question type, write T for true and F for false. Question number 1. The components of a mixture are present in a fixed ratio. Answer, false. That is, the statement is false. Question number 3. The construction sites savings with large ports are used. This statement is true. Next question number 3. Sublimation methods is used when a mixture contains a component that can sublime. This statement is true. Question number 4. Evaporation can be used to separate a mixture of milk and water. This statement is false. Next question number 5. The property of compound is different from the properties of its constituent element. This statement true. Next question number 6. Metalloids have the property of both metals and non-metal. This statement is true. Next question number 7. Saving allow fine fluorous particles to remain in the saving while the bigger impurities pass through the sieves. This statement is false. Next question, that is the question number 8. Sedimentation is followed by decantation in the separation of solid liquid mixture. This statement is true. Next question number 9. The process of evaporation is used to obtain common salt from the water. This statement is true. Okay. Next question type, fill in the blanks. Number 1. A dash is formed when two or more elements combine together chemically. The proper word, the right answer is compound. A compound is formed when two or more elements combine together chemically. Second question, dash is the ability of metals to be broken into thin sheet. Malleability. That is, malleability is the ability of metals to be beaten into thin sheet. Next, question number 3. Dash is the process of solid directly converting into gases. Sublimation. Sublimation is a process of solid directly converting into gases. Question number 4. Filtration is used when the substance to be separated are dash in a liquid insoluble. That is, filtration is used when the substance to be separated are insoluble in a liquid. Question number 5. A dissolved solid can be separated from its solution using the dash method, evaporation. A dissolved solid can be separated from its solution using the evaporation method. Next question type. Choose the correct answer for each of the following. First question number A. A substance that contains two or more substances mixed together without reacting chemically is a option A. Compound, option B. Mixture, option 3. Element, option 4. Molecule. The right answer, mixture. Okay. Next question number B. The ability of a substance to break into pieces is called option A. Malleability, option 2. Ductility, option 3. Sonority, option 4. Brittleness. Answer, brittleness. Okay. Next question number C. Which of the following is a property of non-metal? Option 1. There are solid at room temperature. There are brittle. They are malleable. Option 4. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. The right answer, option 2. That is, they are brittle. Next question number D. The process of pouring out the upper layer of clear liquid without disturbing the sublimate is called option 1. Sedimentation, option 2. Evaporation, option 3. Decantation, option 4. Distillation. Option 3 is the right answer, that is decantation. Okay. Next question number E. Which of the following methods is used of separate scrap iron from a garbage heap? Option 1. Shaving, option 2. Magnetic separation, option 3. Sublimation, option 4. Filtration. The answer, option 2 is the right answer, that is magnetic separation. Okay, my dear viewers, my dear students. Next question. Sublimation can be used to separate a mixture of option 1. Sand and ammonium chloride, option 2. Sand and sugar, option 3. Iron filling and salt, option 4. Stone and rice. Option 1 is the right answer, that is sand and ammonium chloride. Okay. Next question type. Choose the odd one out and the preferred answer. Okay. Number 1 question. Iodine, camphor, sugar, ammonium chloride. Sugar is the right answer. Okay, it is the odd or other. Okay. Next part. Question number B. Oxygen O, carbon C, gold Au, and magnesium Mg. Au, gold, is the odd other. Okay. Next part, that is the last part of this video. Sugar solution, coffee, tea, coconut oil. Answer, coconut oil.